If I could go back to my old self, the one that was working 40 plus hours a week and still stuck, this is what I would say. You don't need to work harder. You need to work different. In part one, I talked about what happens when we stay stuck trading time for money and memories. It's a cycle that keeps us tired, stretched to the limit, and never truly free. Today, I want to show you the 3 steps that helped me shift out of that horrible cycle and into something that finally made some sense to me. Step 1, recognize what you know has value. We all have something we've lived, learned, or experienced in life, and that can be packaged, not to sell stuff, but to help others. I didn't realize that what I knew and what I had been through could be the start of a digital income system and stream. I didn't know, but it was. Step 2, leverage a simple system. I didn't try to build something from scratch. I used a digital system that was already in place, one that allowed me to just plug in, get trained, and finally start moving forward. The system helped me avoid the overwhelm and exhaustion. No coding, no fancy tech, just real steps with support. 3, set it up to run even when you're not. This was the game changer. Instead of working hour for hour, I learned how to use automation to do the heavy lifting and all the heavy work for me. It let me breathe. It let me spend time with my family. And it's allowed me to finally stop chasing people and start attracting the right ones. In this next video, part 3, I'm going to give you a simple look at the full system I'm using today. It's a bird's eye view of how everything connects, so you can see how it works without trading more of your valuable time. If you missed part 1, go back and watch it. It'll hit home. And if this helped you today, drop ready in the comments so I know you're ready to keep building. Let's go deeper in part 3. The blueprint is waiting.